What's going on, guys? Super excited for today's video because I'm sure you can tell by the title and thumbnail, Chomper is finally getting a new wheel and tire setup. So if you've been following along with the channel, you know that Big Betty stole Chomper's old setup, the LTZ Reps, the 35-inch mud graps, which they do look absolutely amazing on here, but that left Chomper on the Tahoe stocks, and these wheels do look really good on this generation truck. Could throw you some mud tires on there and it'd be a super clean look. However, I've had a setup in mind that I've been wanting to put on this truck for a couple months now, and I've been looking, but I had no luck because these wheels are no longer made. You have to buy them used, and they're rare and they're hard to come by. Well, I posted on a Facebook wheel group, and my buddy Reed commented and said, I got you a set and I'll bring them to you. So that was about a month ago, and we got it worked out, and he's coming up for the weekend for the Alabama truck meet. He's gonna have like a little mini vacation, but he's also gonna bring the wheels and tires. They're off of his Tacoma, which is how we met years ago. We did the 26s, we've done the 20s, the 35s, we've done 24 by 12s. We've had a lot of different looks on Chomper, and they've all been super clean. There's one style that we haven't gone with, and honestly I've only had them on the channel one time years ago on Larry, hint hint. But this is gonna be super cool, and we'll have to decide on tires down the road because I don't think these have a ton of tread. I've also got a ton of parts accumulated for the truck since it's basically not been filmed in the past 2 months, month and a half, while it's been on the Tahoe stocks. A lot of content coming for Chomper. So with that being said, I'll catch up with y'all in a little bit when Reed gets here. This is a weird box truck. All right, guys, y'all ready to see these bad boys? Boom. We got these 16 by 12 Weld Racing Cheyennes. This is a forged wheel, of course. Old school throwback. They don't make them anymore. Pretty hard to come by, and this is definitely one of my favorites, if not my favorite, Weld wheel. They look super cool, and I'm stoked. Got the Mastercraft Corsair MXT, and look at this. I've never seen a tire. 305/70/16, but it also converts at 33 by 1250 and mount only on 16-inch rim. I've never seen them have both of them on there. That's pretty cool. They should, all of them should do that, honestly. But yeah, dude, hopefully they fit properly. I know it's just 12 wides, but then again, you know, just fat boys, all right? Reed didn't get them as shined up as he wanted to, just with his job and life and everything, which I understand. So either I'm going to learn how to get these things back to perfection, or maybe one of y'all have a polishing business or something y'all would like to collaborate and we can do a video together. Holler at me on Instagram, I guess. Shoot me a DM. Maybe we can work something out. But dude, they're gonna be fat for sure. Obviously got them all soaking in the tire shine because the tires are pretty dull looking. Just, yeah, the backs are pretty crusty. Y'all should know we had to line them up on Larry real quick, because if we don't absolutely love them on Chomper, they might just go straight on Larry Bear. Just picture it. Some 35-inch boggers or SSRs. Holy crap, that would be insane. Also, as you know, or maybe don't know, Larry's got the 22 by 12s on it right now. So you see that lip? Then look at that lip. How is that a 12 wide? That's probably as much lip as on my 14 wides on the Coyote. So I promise I'm not trying to drag this video out like every other YouTuber, but we ran into a catastrophic issue with putting these wheels on this truck. And if you've tried to put this size on this truck before, or you've looked into it, whatever the case, you've probably already left your comment as soon as I said what size these things are, because yes, we have ran into a very disappointing issue. This is just me not doing enough research. I thought I had, but clearly not. So there's about 110 15 by 12s, 15 by 14s on Facebook that I would love to put on these trucks, but I, through doing research, know that 15s won't fit on these, right? They will not fit. That's an OBS thing. Maybe the first gen round bodies do. 03, I think they went to the larger, maybe it's 06. They went to the larger calipers. I have the larger calipers. They will not fit on 16s. The wheel hits the caliper. And this setup is not going to fit on here without 2-inch wheel spacers and removing the wheel weights. So they're probably going to ride like garbage. I kept them. I can glue them back on. But But yeah, that's the only way that I can actually make this video happen. It's going to look awesome, dude, of course. It looked good. I have some footage of it with them all bolted on, just regular stance. But then once we put them out another 2 inches, it's going to look even more sick. I'm sure it's going to rub super bad, but it'll look amazing. We'll get this video done, but that pretty much sums up and, you know, solidifies that this is not going to be the permanent setup on Chomper. So that's good and bad news, depending on what you think about this setup. But man, I am bummed. I am truly bummed. I thought these were going to fit. I don't know. I don't know how I got confused, but yeah, 16s, they won't fit on here. So we'll film some videos with them on here, yada, yada, yada. I'm sure we'll throw them on Larry. Maybe we'll put them on Big Betty. I don't know, but they're going to be up for sale. They are definitely going to be up for sale. So if you want them, be on the lookout. I'm going to definitely have them up for sale at some point, which sucks because I was really stoked on this setup. It's going to be sick. But either way, I'm going to get all this knocked out and we'll finish this video out. It's going to look amazing, but unfortunately, just can't run it without the spacers. So I got to pull the spacers off of the rear of Larry and the rear of Big Betty to make all 4 fit on here, which is annoying, but it is what it is. Either way, I'll get all that knocked out. I'll get you all the reveal in the morning. It's going to be sick. Alright guys, well here she is, and holy crap does it look freaking sweet. It is completely different than anything we've ever ran, and it just looks awesome. It just doesn't even look like the same truck. It's a completely different vibe, and it looks amazing. Like I said, or I don't know if I did say, this tire is a little bit low, and unfortunately it's got the those guys, the flush valve stem, so I don't have the little attachment to put air in it, which sucks. But aside from that, she's riding pretty daggum good. She's just pulling a little bit to the left because of that tire being low, but man, this thing looks freaking awesome. It definitely gives off kind of a diesel vibe, definitely old school, obviously. Dude, it looks freaking awesome. I am stoked. And even with the 2-inch spacers, it's not crazy wide. It's drivable. I'm trying not to rub my bumper though, because I don't want to rub the paint off, because it definitely is going to rub if I turn it too much. Look at this, dude. Look at this freaking truck. 16 by 12s, 33s. On a beautiful overcast day, making my black paint look flawless. Let's get the booty shot because it's insane too. Oh my gosh. I even polished the tips up. It's a rare treat. Dude, it looks so freaking sick. I have to throw y'all a little clip in. She was rowdy this morning. It's actually really cold this morning. Everybody and their brother out here checking me out this morning. Everybody on the way to work and school and whatnot. Dude, it looks so freaking sweet. That is awesome. I hate that I had to end up running the spacers, but at least I was able to make it work. And like I said, it is drivable. So, I mean, if y'all really, really love it, we might keep it on there for a bit. I'm gonna for sure keep it on for a couple videos. But man, I gotta finish this video out, get this uploaded today, because it's actually Friday, the day that I'm posting this, which is off my schedule, which is not cool. But we're gonna get up today, Friday, and hopefully y'all really enjoy it. So yeah, dude, there she is. Sitting on the welds. That's freaking sick. So anyways, y'all comment down below. Let me know, should we keep them? Should we sell them? Should we put them on Larry? What should we do? And with that being said, I will see y'all in the next video. Enjoy some chop while I do a 100-point turn, getting this thing turned around. All I gotta say is everybody that hates the 2214s and the street tires and the Coyote, y'all better be in this video hyping up Chomper, because we got the little wheel, we got the big rubber, we got the mud tires. What y'all gonna say now? You just don't like the stance? You don't like the wide? Come on now, come on.